Kia ora, ko Sharon Holt tōku ingoa. Sometimes I love going to op shops, and sometimes I find games, and they give me ideas for the games that we do for our online subscription site. Sort of makes me think, oh, how can I interpret that game in a different way for Te Reo Māori? And one game that I found at an op shop recently, I really love Ravensburger games and puzzles because they're so well made. It has all these really cool cards here, and so as you can see, this you can use the games that you've got already in the classroom, whether it's a school or a preschool. Use those games and have a look, maybe a brainstorming session with the teachers or even the children, to find out what are the games that we've already got that we could turn into something using Te Reo Māori. So te kau ngā mumutawa, 10 ladybugs. You know, there's all these numbers, te kau mā tahi. There's kotahi te rā, and so many ideas with these, which isn't how that game was meant to be made, but use the games that you've already got in the classroom and have some brainstorming to work out how can we make these useful for our Māori language program. Ka kite.